Traders, happy Friday, and I want to go over who is the greatest trader, in my opinion, over the most recent few years, and what is the greatest stock, in my opinion. Well, they have correlation, and that is Weight Watchers. That's right, Oprah herself, Oprah Winfrey. Look at this here. She turned $40 million into over $400 million. Now, the reason why I say she's the greatest trader of all time, look at my dear Oprah. I love her. Is this. So here's a weekly chart of Weight Watchers stock, October 2015. I should say the greatest trader in the past decade, right? Oprah takes an 8% stake in Weight Watchers, shares around $6-7. Shares jump up instantly to about $27 a share. Now get this. Weight Watchers trades all the way to $105 a share at one point. And here it is rallying again. But I want to do this. I want to go to, let's actually go to a 3-year weekly chart, because this is what I want to show you guys and girls. This is what's important. When Weight Watchers reports earnings, now Oprah just doesn't buy stock and buy and hold. No. Weight Watchers doesn't trade a lot of volume, doesn't trade a lot of options. When Weight Watchers has earnings, let's go back to the daily actually. Every time they report a good quarter, they'll have usually a day or a couple days before someone who buys about $400 up to $600,000 of call options, and the stock will soar the next day. And sometimes, like back here in late February, when the earnings were horrible, to be kind, they bought puts and they made 10x their money on puts in a couple days. So I've been trading Weight Watchers now for, gosh, about 4 years. Now, not every quarter it moves on earnings, but this stock can move. In fact, last quarter the stock sold off, and, well, let's just zoom in here. It hasn't seen a red day since. It went from $30 to now $42 a share. So you may be saying, Lance, why Weight Watchers? I would never think in a million years to trade this stock. But let me give you a couple reasons why. A, you know who the activist is. It's Oprah, right? There's a highly short interest in Weight Watchers. Why? Because who in the world thinks Weight Watchers will actually succeed? It's a frozen food beverage, right? It's more to that, though. So the short interest, so the short sellers, those short sellers out there, they sell, they bet against Weight Watchers. So when the stock goes up, it goes up dramatically and fast out there. Let me actually get the short percentage for you guys and girls. Let's look here. Pull up FinViz. Short percentage, about 15% of the shares are 15% short float. That's massive, right? Put it this way. 1 quarter on Weight Watchers, I bought call options for earnings. Let's see if we can actually isolate that call option. Here it was. It was back in 2018. The stock went on a tear. It went from about 45, I believe, to about $60. The calls went up, I think, like 1,300% in a couple days. I went to my local grocery store and bought Weight Watcher meals for a week straight. That's all I ate was the frozen Weight Watcher meals. Now, did I lose weight? Not really, because I'd eat 2 or 3 at a time. And are they expensive? Oh, very expensive. I think I spent over $600 on groceries. So just think of that. I spent $600 on groceries monthly. What is that? About $2,500, $2,500 a month if you're on Weight Watchers it goes to. So I really don't care about the company itself. Hey, I think it's great. People losing weight. But I'll tell you this stock moves. And what happens in the beginning of the year? Everyone goes on their diet, they exercise, they join Weight Watchers. So look, and I know this is going to be a shock, look for Weight Watchers. I'm thinking within the next couple months, so let's say end of January, you see Weight Watchers above $50 a share. I just have a love for this stock. I don't trade it every day, but when I do swing trade it, oh man, it usually works out fantastically. Have a great weekend, everyone, and I'll chat with everyone soon.